Welcome back to another video from John Kleis Cardio. My name's Max. I have Mark with me, the customer, and we're in his Transporter T6. He's just had the new Kenwood 9724 fitted in, which is a 10-inch screen. I'm just going to give you a little show on how things are working and what it's looking like. Customer's got his Android phone in here today. A lot of us users at John Kleis are actually Apple users, but this customer has got his Android Auto connected, so I can give you a quick look around Android Auto. You got some of your icons. Press this and it takes you to a bit of a split screen where you can jump into your maps and your ways. If you're already familiar with Android Auto, you'll know that it's a much nicer way of getting your maps, your music, your messaging, all in a nice, easy way to use while driving. Benefits from things like just going into your playlist and choosing your music and stuff like that. And you've got a much nicer way of using your phone, favorites, recents, contacts. It's meant to feel like you're actually using your phone. Customer's got his Android Auto connected at the moment, which I'm going to show you something else in a little moment. Other things inside the head unit, we've got obviously DAB, which retains the factory DAB aerial, so I can just give you a quick look at that. DAB presets saved down the side here. We've already saved in a few that he wants, and then you can search for more stations up on the side here. This also is obviously a Volkswagen Transporter T6. We've integrated into the steering controls for adjusting the volume, skipping tracks. It also works with his parking sensors. When you're reversing as you get up close to an object, this will show you where the obstacles are. And also another addition he did have is inside his glove box got some extra cables. We've got a USB charging point in there and a HDMI device so that he can add his Fire Stick in there and benefit from all the lovely things Amazon Fire Sticks do, or whatever HDMI device that you may have, and you can play your music, videos and stuff like that. The thing that I want to show you now is this also does wireless mirroring, which we don't do on Apple iPhones because we've got handcuffs, but on Android, if I click this button here and Mark presses a button on his phone there, it will allow us to select DMX9724 XDS as an Android mirroring device. And this is the first time I've ever seen this, but he has now access to his phone on here, and I was even more surprised that you can actually use the touchscreen to scroll through things, which is quite cool. If he goes like landscape on YouTube, it will give us a nice view of the video. And we of course we have audio as well. Customer likes to watch some YouTube. He's got some songs on there that obviously he wants to watch and play on there, and yeah, you got all the control that way. So yeah, real nice little addition that he can now stream his phone onto the screen here, and yeah, you get full control of the phone from the screen, so the phone could be in the pocket and you could do whatever you need to do really. That's pretty much it. Thanks Mark, thanks for coming and having your radio fit at John Kleis, and if you want this in your Transporter, you know what to do. Get in contact with us. Take care and goodbye.